So we're just going to go down these stairs, and again it's all nice corally now. And this is a self-contained unit almost. Let's have a look inside here, see what we've got. Again, beautiful views. Look at that for a view. The water's really nice, and it's overcast today. Well, the skies are blue, but there's clouds in the sky, so we've got a bit of overcast way. So again, we come into here. It's got the same nice wood effect ceramic tile floors, handcrafted doors, handcrafted bed and closets. Really, really spacious, really nice. It's got the AC and the nice ceiling fan again. Flat screen TV. And then it's got, again, another well-appointed bathroom with twin basins. Again, a separate toilet. And again, one of these large walk-in showers. So that's a really nice bedroom here. And we're going to just nip next door, I think. I don't know whether this is Franklin's den in here. No, it's the store den at the moment. But this is, as I said, it's a self-contained unit. So it's got another kitchen here. And it's got a lot of storage space in here at the moment and things. So ignore this, but you can see the size of this. And this would be like a lounge area. You've got direct connection into the bedroom there. And you've got a nice fitted kitchen. You've got AC again in here. You've got the kitchen units that have been done. And as you can see, there's a bit of maintenance being done around the light fittings. I've had some new lights fitted in the ceiling. So there's got to be a bit of painting done there. It's got the nice new ceiling fan there as well. Very, very nice. And this has got the aluminium glazed sliding doors, which again is a superb view. So we're just going to go round the house. As you can see, there's another entrance to it. We went down one road, but there's another road here. So there's an entrance where you've got, lots of areas of parking. You could build a garage if you want. There's a little disused house there, which could easily be converted into something. It's on the land. But before we have a look at these little bits and pieces, we're just going to go up the stairs here and enjoy this terrace area. And look at this for a beautiful terrace area. You can have a disco up here, have a party, Diddy party as I said. And again, the stunning views you've got. And these views, you can see on a clear day, you can just about see it in that direction over there. That'll be like Cabrera, Agua. And wow, very, very nice house. So this is, it's a separate house. There's basically two houses in one. This one, you could rent out or live in, or you could rent out the other one, or vice versa. And you can see it's got solar panels. It's got the backup power system as well. And this is the land, as you can see here. And that would have been an old technical room, or even an old something. But you could easily convert that. You've got plenty of parking, and you can build garages as you would require. Again, all this handcrafted wooden furniture, and it's a large area, and if so required, you could actually turn this area into exactly the same as you've got downstairs as well, or into 2 bedrooms, or just a lounge area. But it's nice, the terrace, nice to come up here, sip a cocktail and enjoy the stunning views. So we're going to go now and explore around the house, and you can see there's all terrace areas here as well. There's a cistern there which has rainwater collection system as well, and then we can go down here and there's a little pathway, and you can see that you've got a small garden area here. You've got your own coconut tree there as well, so you've got fresh coconuts as you want them. And then this is the swimming pool to the right, and then we've got the various technical rooms, and in here is another bedroom. So you've got another bedroom under the stairs here. And as we continue down here, you can see that on the right there's another room, and surprise, surprise, it's another bedroom, you see. So it's got the bed, which handcrafted. It's got the AC. There's no ceiling fan in here because it's under the pool, so it's relatively cool. It's got built-in storage, and again it's got the bathroom, which is the same sort of bathroom as the others, apart from it hasn't got twin vanities. So it's got a single vanity. It's got the nice big walk-in shower and the toilet. So this is a nice bedroom. It's very cool and an area here indeed. And again, from this bedroom, out your window, you've got all these ocean views again. Just shut the door. And then we come round the house here. And I say, this is an area here which could quite easily, you know, you could put a garage here, you could build another house with a casita here on the land. It's very nice. A nice tree there. It's, looks like an avocado tree as well. Look at the views again. And there's the house. You've got the technical room under the pool there, and that houses you know, all your pool equipment and your pumps and stuff. So we just have a quick peek in there because it's useful to see. You know, you've got your water pump and your pressure tank. You've got your 2 filters. You've got your batteries for your backup system. So you've got your solar system here. These are your inverters on the wall. And these are the batteries. And then you've got your pool equipment here. So you've got 2 pumps, one for the pool and one for the jacuzzi. You've got a saltwater system there because there's a cell. And then you've got your water. And then you've got a hot water heater here. So it's a useful area for storage. And then we're going to come back up the stairs back to the front of the house. And as I said, there's 2 entrances, 2 entrance roads you can get. You can use the one where I've used as the truck, or you can use the one which is on the other side of the house where there's more parking there. So I'm just going to give you a last little glimpse of Puppy, of the beautiful pool, the beautiful views, and the drive into the centre of Las Terrenas from here, because I just did it. I came from my office, which is bang in the centre. Well, it's near the beach really. Is about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's 15 minutes from the town centre. It's about a 10-minute drive to these beaches, 8-minute drive to the beaches, whichever one you want to choose. And you've got, you know, Coson, you've got Playa Bonita as well. And then there's the town. So it's ideally placed. It's a beautiful property. Quiet, great for family, great for rental as well, because there's so much more scope that you could add to this. So thanks for watching the video. If you know who I am, you can always contact me at, on my WhatsApp at 1-829-436-3912 or email doug@beachtownproperty.com. But all this information and stuff you can find if you follow the link cards on this video.